Good morning, everybody. Satnam, and welcome to Mondays with Maya. Here we are, almost end of the year. 2021 will be fantastic. I can feel it deep down in my bones. As we all know, the planets have been really aligned in a very harmonious way. The Saturn and the Jupiter expansion. So I think it's going to be very good. Hi everybody, wave. I'm wearing this funky jumper, a big flower saying yes to life. So today I'd like us to do a meditation to allow the power, the guidance of the light to come inside us. From in, out, from out, in. We hear in every song, the Christmas is about the light. December is all about the light, and we keep shining the light. And I'd like us to do this meditation to bring the light in, to let the light in. Now I'm going to read you something from my science book, 365 days. Each day I read one page, which is for that day. And it's from Ernest Holmes. He was like a late 19th century philosopher, really interesting. So for December, it's all about light. He says, a new light is coming into the world. We are on the borderline of a new experience. The veil between spirit and matter is very thin. I like that. So that's about December. And now 28, today. There is one mind common to all individual people. It is this eternal and perfect mind that we use. We enter into this divine state of being in such degree as our own thoughts are peaceful, joyous, and perfect. Each one individualizes this universal mind in a particularly unique and personal way. That's why we are so many different people. We are so different, unique ways of expression we have. And thank God for that. It makes it so much more fun and interesting. This is our divine inheritance. So today, I make a greater claim upon good. Today, I speak my word, knowing that it will not return unto me void. It must accomplish and prosper, not because of the power of my will, but because I'm willing to let, to permit, to accept guidance, power, and peace. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to accept power, guidance, and peace. We're going to do a mantra with moving the hands like this, which is the Kundalini rising, going around up and down, and going through the words of each chakra. So if you have a pen and paper, if you want to get ready, or just repeat with me, it's not that difficult. The first chakra is Lam, then Vam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Sham, Om. Very often we call the 6th and 7th chakra Om and Om, but in this particular way we're going to call upon Sham and Om. So Lam, L-A-M, V-A-M, Vam, R-A-M, Ram, Yam, as it's a yummy heart, Y-A-M, that's how I remember it. Hum, it's humming, hum, all through the throat, that's throat chakra. Sham, 6 chakra, 7 chakra, Om. So we're going to move the hands from here. Lam, Vam, Ram. When you come to Yam, to the heart, you go into prayer position. And then you're going to open the expression. Hum, Sham, Om. Okay? And we're going to repeat that for a few minutes, just to connect with that. And I know I talk about chakras all the time, and my whole school and teacher training courses that we are doing very soon, actually starting in March, it's always about the chakras, because for me, I dive deeper and deeper and deeper into the chakras, and every time I discover more and more and more, and so many benefits. If you know the chakras and if you are united, that's what the chakras do. They open up and unite, because it's all about that unity, it's in a way in the universe that we call it, it's inside, it's that little dot right here in the heart. We start from unity, then we expand, we experience, we explore, And then we come back to unity, because we explore why we need to, that unity separate itself in duality, and then explore, expands, in order to find itself, who it is and who it could be. So that unity, that us, we explore, expand, and go through so many experiences, as many experiences as you can, because that's the school of learning. That's our life, how we're learning, because then we pick up all these experiences. Based on that, we realize who we are and what is our purpose. And the purpose is only to experience yourself and to know yourself. Yeah. And know yourself is that written in all the scriptures, and it's to know yourself. Know yourself, who you are and who you could be. It's like you can really explore and go to such a non-limitless way and dimensions and the dimensions is only just, it's not going to one place to the other place. It's like your awareness being open to see more than the reality that we see with 3 dimension. So I get all very philosophical, but let's go back to the basics. We're gonna align the chakras. We're gonna call upon the chakras in order to be one, to explore and experience that unity, and then bring that light within. Okay, so from unity we're gonna explore, expand, experience, come back to unity. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and that's what we're gonna be showing with our hands. Okay, let's put some music on to just guide us through. It's just easier to get the rhythm going. All right, are you ready, guys? Hands like in prayer position opposite. We start from first chakra and we go. Lan, dan, ran, yam, ham, sham, om. Lan, and we go. Lan, van, ram, yam, ham, sham, om. 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 Lan, van, ram yam ham sham om. Ram vam 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 ram yam ham sham om. Last time. Ram vam ram yam ham sham om. Stay still. Just allow the light in. Feel that vibration rising. This is the quickest way to raise your vibration, your frequency. When you're feeling low or depressed or any negative thoughts wandering in your mind. So just do this. Remember this. Just call upon the chakras. Bring your hands, your energy, and the frequency. Within few minutes we completely recharge, rejuvenate, and bring that light in and raise the vibration. So we allow the power, the guidance of the light. May the light guide us through the next year, 2021. We are ready. 2020 made us ready to reap the benefits in 2021. And gently open your eyes. How you guys feel? I thought this flower was gonna make you smile. Any comments? Anybody wants any questions? So you see, this is I start going on a new broadcast called Hubs. I will let you know about that more. So all my accounts are connected, like YouTube and Facebook. It's not Instagram, I think it's just Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, and they all go into one. So when I broadcast from Hubs, all of them will have the same immediate broadcast, and they're all connected, and so that's easier than just going on each of them separately. And then I can talk to people. You see, that's why with you guys I can't talk. Maybe somebody says something, but I can't. Your flower, scent of your flowers, Jam. Yeah, I love it. Thank you. But I can't communicate with you, and that helps. You can communicate. They can kind of like, it's kind of like the new Facebook. I don't know. I can communicate with you. You're writing to me. I'm talking to you. I can invite you. I can share the screen with you and things like that, which is quite fun. Now I'm getting into the whole digital world. Anyways, well, I will leave you here. May you have a wonderful, wonderful New Year's celebration. And I'm going to see you on next Monday, the 4th. And we're going to enter this beautiful 2021 with more energy. So next time we're going to do something for energizing. Okay, thank you so much. And may you have the best time ahead of you. Best is yet to come.